All right, let's talk about the to infinity team bonus, or what I like to call the big money. Now, when you see the word infinity, what does that mean to you? Well, to me, it means that the income never stops. It goes on indefinitely. To earn this team bonus, you must be qualified. How do you get qualified? It's very simple. All you have to do is order at least one box every 30 days and have one person on your left and one person on your right on your team that do the exact same thing. Now, in order to earn this money, you have to have two people in your business at least, one on your left, one on your right. When you first bring these people in, they order the economy, value, or business builder pack. They come into the business, one on your left, one on your right, and you earn a team bonus. If you take a look here in this example, if you are on the value pack and they come in under the value pack, which I highly recommend for everybody to come in minimum is with a value pack, you'll earn $120. Now, this is the fast start bonus that you'll learn about in another module, but keep in mind that this is money that you're going to earn immediately upon bringing people into the business and sharing this incredible opportunity with them. Well, how does the income work? Let's take a look. The to infinity team bonus is big money, like I said, and it pays up to 12% on both of your legs. Now, a lot of these types of compensation plans only pay on one leg. This business, you get paid on both legs to infinity. That is why it's such an incredible opportunity, and here we go with the team bonus. Well, first of all, you get to choose your paycheck. If your monthly shipment is a one-pack, you pay $39 every month. If it's a three-pack, you pay $103.50 every month. And if it's a six-pack, you pay $180 every month. All that simply means is you're getting one box or three boxes or six boxes. Well, by you ordering personally every single month these amounts of boxes, you will receive this amount of a percentage on your weak side volume. You're going to have your left leg and your right leg. The weaker volume is the leg that has the weaker total, whether it be your left or your right. So, once you bring in two personally enrolled people and you're ordering one pack, you're going to get 4%. If you order a three-pack, you're going to get 8%. And if you order a six-pack, you're going to get 12% of the weak side volume. But it doesn't stop there. Take a look at this. If you bring in just two more people yourself personally, you're going to get 1% if you're on a one-pack on your strong leg, 2% if you're on a three-pack, and 3% if you're on a six-pack auto ship. And as you notice, it does keep going. You bring in two more people. If you take a look at the very bottom here, if you're on a six-pack auto ship, which I am and which I recommend everybody else on the team to be, you'll earn 6% of the strong side volume in addition to that 12% on the weak side volume. Bring in two more people personally, and you're going to earn 9%. Two more people, you're going to earn 12%. So now you're looking at 12% on both your weak and your strong leg. What a tremendous income with Chews4Health. So here's how you build your to infinity team. Initially, you're going to bring somebody on your left, like I mentioned earlier, and somebody on your right. And all of the volume as people are ordering and buying product, anything that happens throughout the whole organization, you're going to have your left team and your right team. Whichever team leg ends up being the less, that's your weak leg. Whichever team ends up being more, that's your strong leg. So take a look at this. You have $700 in commissionable volume on your left team, and you have $500 in volume on your right team. Well, obviously, 500 is less than 700, so therefore, your weaker leg is your right team in this instance. Now, let's take a look at how this actually works in an earning potential. As you see here, you are at the top. You have your left team and your right team. If you take a look on your left team, the weekly total is $700 in volume. And on your right team, it's $500 in volume. So, if you have brought in a total of 10 personally sponsored people, you're going to earn 12% on both legs, and it's matching volume. So the weaker leg is $500, and you're going to get 12% of that, which is $60. and your strong leg is $700, but you're only going to get paid on the matching volume, which is $500 in commissionable volume. 12% of that, that's another $60. So your total just in the team bonus alone is $120. Now, if you take a look at the very bottom here, it's what's called banked volume. If you haven't gotten paid on it and you continue to order at least one box of chews every single month, that volume will continue to roll over every single week until you can get paid on it. This is the power of the To Infinity compensation plan, and this will go on indefinitely. So you can imagine if you had hundreds of people on your left leg and hundreds of people on your right leg, how big this can be. I hope you'll look at some of the other training volumes, and if you haven't signed up yet, get signed up with the person that shared this information with you and start today. God bless.